Hey, that's not camera. I go fast over there. Go. Oh no. Now he blocked you. No, he blocked you. Fuck off. No. He won't do it. Don't do it. Don't do shit like that. Police sees you doing this.
Why?
He's purposely blocking you now because you flashed at him. Slow. Enough. Car is farting.
Why?
Okay. Just go normal now. No, go. Not for you.
I heard in some place in Fujairah they put dabba
What
just to scare people.
But this is not dabba.